Hi everyone, this is Telescope and welcome back to the second episode of Vagrant series. This episode is about the advanced features in Vagrant. Vagrant has dozens of features, we cannot cover everything, but we'll be focusing on the most interesting ones that you should probably check. The first feature is provisioning. Now I'm setting up a new virtual machine to host a web app, and I need to execute some configuration scripts in order to install Nginx, MySQL, and Composer. I have 3 bash scripts that I usually execute manually. With Vagrant, I can just copy them to the provisioning section and they'll be executed each time I create a new virtual machine. Here I'm using bash, but you can use any popular scripting language. Now, if I start the machine, Vagrant will create it and execute the scripts. And we can see that the app is running, which means that all the scripts have been executed. The next feature is public networking. Now, what we've been using until now is private networking. It gives your machine an IP that is only visible on the host machine. On the other hand, public networking allows you to access your VM from any machine on the network. Here, I just configured my public network as we can see. And I can access the IP from the host machine. And just to be sure, I'm gonna use this time my phone. It's connected to the same Wi-Fi as the host machine. And as you can see, I can access the web app from my phone. The next feature is Vagrant plugins. There are dozens of plugins that you can try and install using the plugin command. We're going to check Hosts Updater. What this plugin does is that it links the IP of the machine to a more user-friendly domain name. The domain should end with .test for security reasons. I used to use .dev and .app, but Google bought them and now they're up for sale, so you can't use them anymore. As you can see, I configured the VM hostname here. And if I run the machine, we can see that it's accessible from that hostname. The next feature is also related to networking, and this time it's sharing your project not only to your network, but to the internet. To do that, you can use ngrok. To install it, check the commands in the description below. And the way you use it is that you choose the port you want to publish online. In my case, I will share my HTTP port, and it will give me a unique link. This link is now accessible from anywhere. You can send it to your teammates to show your progress, for example. That's gonna do it for this video. You can check our website, you'll find more commands and more features in the videos page. Subscribe to Telescope, like the video if you liked it, share it if you loved it, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.